Okay, here's 12-2-12. Let's see, it's got a handicap type access door. Turn on your lights. Oh, you gotta have the key in it. That's lame. Okay. Environmental controls. Full-length mirror. Ow. As you can see here, there's plenty of room to move around, especially if you use one of these things. There's a little makeup table. What's in the cabinets there? Cabinet space. Is there a fridge? What's that? Yeah, got the fridge. A little makeup space with the hair dryer.
Ooh, they soft close.
And then got this little space over here. And then we go out here onto the deck. It's got a very strange shaped deck. It's really small, and they try to cover that up by having only one chair out here. But this part should be open, in my opinion. And you can see here that you've got this angle, so you're like looking into other people's rooms over here in the Haven. And the slide goes through the deck on the other side of this partition here. This is no man's land. There won't be anybody over here, but you can see the slide goes out over the ocean and comes back in, corkscrews through the deck back down to wherever it comes out on deck 8. So that's 4 decks plus wherever it starts. And you can see through this big space here. I guess if you rented the room next door, you'd be able to have this whole angular deck. But in the drawings, it looks like that's what you get. So let's go back in here. Got lots of storage space under the bed. Not a lot of storage space in the nightstand, but we do have USB plug-ins, so that's nice. A couple of USB plug-ins, plus we've got a regular American outlet. And got some storage on the other side. And some hanging space. Here's the bathroom. You can see you can roll into the shower here. That's handy, especially if you had your wheelchair. I decided to leave my wheelchair because I wasn't sure how much space there was going to be. And over here is the closet. On this side, we've got plenty of hangers and a shelf. And then on this side, you got your safe. Looks like some pull-out drawers for socks and underwear. And more hanging space. Anyway, that's all she wrote.